Next, in JavaScript, we are going to do arrow functions. So here we are creating a file. I'm naming it as function 14.js, our JavaScript file, and one more file here I'm creating for HTML 14.html. It's our HTML file. Now in HTML file, it's our basic HTML code, and here we are doing linking. That means we are linking our JavaScript file with our HTML file. Script src equals to, within double quotes we have to mention file name, function 14.js. So linking is done. Now we'll come to function 14.js file. Now, till now when we were doing functions, we used to give function definition and function call. While giving function definition, we used to write function keyword, then function name, then we start curly bracket, and if that definition is returning something, we used to use return keyword. But in arrow function, we don't need to write that function keyword, we don't need those curly braces, and we don't need return statement. So how can we do that? Here I'm taking variable let m equals to, I'm taking this value into this variable, I'm taking value into this variable with prompt. So prompt, and here I'm saying enter the first value. Now whenever we take input with the help of prompt box, it is in the form of string. So this is not the number we are getting into it m. Now we have to take that number out. So here I'm declaring variable m1 equals to parse int. Now that number will get converted to string will get converted to number. Here we have to pass m and a colon. Similarly, we are taking input of two more numbers. This is n. This is going to be second value, and it is going to be n1, and here we have to pass n, and it should be, I'm giving it a name O, and here I'm putting it O1 and O. So this way we have taken input of number into variable m with the help of prompt box. That number is not number, it's a string. So we have extracted number out of that string with this. So here we got three numbers m1, one is in m1, second one is in n1, and third one is in o1. Now let x is another variable. Now here we used to write function name. So instead of writing function name, we can directly do n1. We want to add n1, m1 and o1. So I'm saying first is m1, comma, n1, comma, o1. And what we want to do with these numbers, we want to add them, m1 plus n1 plus o1, and while here we have to put semicolon. Now indirectly we can say that this is our function definition. What we want to do with these numbers is we want to add m1, n1 and o1. Now we have to give function call. So console.log, and here it's a general message, addition is equals to, and here I'm putting comma. Now it belongs to this x. Whatever is happening like m1, n1 and o1, we are doing addition, is going to x. And x, we can say that it's like it's a kind of function. X and m1 comma n1 comma o1, and here we have to put semicolon. Save it. And go live. So it is asking me for first number, I'm giving 35. Second number is also 35. And third number is also 35. Here on console, addition is 105. Now how it is working? Now this is our let x equals to m1 n1 o1. It means that this function is going to take three arguments, m1 n1 o1, and what we want to do with those numbers, we want to add them. Then here we are giving function call. We have put x here because whatever is the addition will go to this x. So this was our arrow function.